It's a 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In the face of the most challenging terrain, this Alfa Romeo stands tall. Stelvio is a high-performance SUV with the heart and soul of a hero. And all 2019 models have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the console, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The Italian flair and performance heartbeat of Alfa Romeo make your grocery runs more like grocery sprints. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.